Hello guys, it's been a while. I haven't posted anything on YouTube. It's because I was busy working with an application that took a lot of my time. This application took me about 3 months to complete, so I just want to show it to you so you see it. So I have my two devices here ready. I'm gonna try to sign in the other one. I've already typed the username, the email, and the password. So I'm gonna hit signing in. So while that is going on, I'm gonna also do the same thing to the other one. Write the name Chloe Sullivan. I know the email. I'm just gonna type just a kind of a random email. Then for the password, I'm gonna type a password too. So I'll just say password. Okay, just hit the register. This creating new users. That these are just tools to make just to know where where the exact function that is currently running, or the exact line of code that is currently running. Okay, so we're still working. You have to be patient a bit. You're working. I think one is done. One is done. So it's gonna try to load up the list of users that we have in the application. While the other one is still going on, now the adding to DP, what it does is that it gets the current user ID of quickblocks and then posts it to Firebase database. So in this other device, I'm gonna change the profile. I'm gonna allow the permission, then change image. It's gonna load up my gallery, and now the other one is done. So let's just wait for it to load up. Start loading up the list. So there's load up the list. In this other device, I'm gonna select just an image to use as a profile picture. I can't really find what I'm looking for here. Okay, this should be good. So I'm gonna hit sign in. Then in this other device, I'm gonna do the same thing. Change image, then allow the permission to read your local storage. Then inside the camera, this is uh, my colleague's phone. It's gonna look for, okay, that's it. Big picture is fine. So select it and then pass, hit crop, done. It's working, so you have to be patient a little bit, please. Okay, I'm gonna go back and then come back again to see the profile image was actually loaded. Okay, in this other device, Alison Mark device is fine, and also the Chloe Sullivan device is also fine. So I'm gonna go back, and then we're going to try to initiate a chat to see if it works correctly. So I'm gonna click on one of the newly created accounts. I will click on Alison Mark and then Chloe Sullivan on the other device to see. So as you can see, the list is empty because we haven't sent any messages. Okay, so I'm gonna try to send message on Alison Mark's device to Chloe Sullivan's device. Say hi. Then let's wait for the message in the other device to come. Oh yeah, it's sent. And as you can see, the items align just according to the way we set it in the view holders. I'm gonna do the same thing in this other device. I'll click say hello. Then let's wait for it to come here. Okay, hello. Now it's aligning nicely. Now let's send some other messages in this other device, in Alison Mark's device. Then hit send. Uh, let's see. Okay, the message is sent, so it should be on in Chloe Sullivan's device now. Yeah, it's there now. I'm good. Long time. So the message system is working perfectly. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to test the call to see if it's actually working the way it's supposed to work. Okay, I'm going to collapse the um keyboard first of all on the two device. Then I'm going to try to hit the audio call button first. Oh, I'm not. My internet is actually connected, but it's still showing. That's because I'm not logged into the chat to video chat. So it's going to try to log in. It says logged in. Then I'm going to try to click again the audio call. I don't think it's logged in. Let's just wait for it to log in. It will not take much time. So it's logged in and it's placing a call to Chloe Sullivan's device. Yeah, the call starts. If you can hear my ringtone, it starts. So I'm gonna answer the call. So that's it. It's gonna say
Hello.
something. The call is
Hello.
coming. Yeah, it's working. It's the time, the seconds is counting. So I'm gonna end the call. Yeah, user end the call. Ended the call. Okay, so I will try the same thing with the audio call, the video call, sorry, to see if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna hit the video call, then let's see if it works. So as you can see, the camera is open, the front camera, Alison Mark ringing. Let's wait for the call is up here, so I'm gonna receive the call. Yeah, I received the call. So it's going to notify the other device that the call has been received and then starts uh starts two fragments. Okay, so that's it. The call has been received and is working perfectly. So guys, this is the tutorial. As you can see, everything is working the way it's supposed to. So guys, that was the tutorial that you just saw, but this is not gonna be a free course. I'm sorry. uh it's gonna be a paid course because I spent so much time trying to figure out how to solve all the bugs and write some code, sleepless nights and the rest. So the link of the tutorial we posted in the description is on Udemy. You can go there and get it. So thank you for watching.